Hello and welcome to UDISE Plus. In the last video, we covered section 1A, basic school profile, location management, medium of instruction, etc. In today's video, we will learn about section 2, physical facilities, equipments, computer and digital initiatives, that is DCF 2.1 to 2.6, and toilet facilities, which is DCF 2.7 to 2.19. Let's begin with section 2, part A, means physical facilities. In DCF 2.1, select the status of the present school building from the drop-down list. In DCF 2.2, enter the total number of active buildings block in the school, such as Pukka, partially Pukka, Kucha and Tent. Also, provide the story-wise breakup, such as single story, double story, etc. In DCF 2.3a, enter the number of classroom for each category and the total classroom used for instructional purpose. In DCF 2.3b, provide the details of classroom by condition based on 2.3a first. In DCF 2.4, select the type of boundary wall from the drop-down list. In DCF 2.5a, specify whether electricity connection is available in the school. If yes, enter the number of classrooms with fans and ACs. In DCF 2.5b, mention whether a solar panel is available in the school. In DCF 2.6, enter the details of room other than classroom excluding toilets. Once all details are filled, click on Save and Next button. Now on the next page, toilet facility, DCF 2.7 to 2.19. In DCF 2.7, select whether the school has toilet urinals. In DCF 2.8, specify if a hand washing facility with soap is available. If yes, enter the number of wash point. In DCF 2.9, A to C, means A, B, C. Provide details about the drinking water source, availability of RO and whether water quality is tested. In DCF 2.10, mention if rainwater harvesting is available. In DCF 2.11, A, B, C and D, enter the details about the library facility, librarian, newspaper, magazine, subscription and library usage. In DCF 2.12, A, B and C, enter approximate land area, availability for expansion, horizontal, vertical and additional rooms required. In DCF 2.13, mention if the school has playground. If not, specify alternative arrangements for outdoor activities. In DCF 2.14, 2.14a, provide details of student health checkups conducted in the last academic year. In DCF 2.15, mention if a ramp for disabled student exists and whether it has handrails. In DCF 2.16, specify if a special educator is available, dedicated at cluster level or not available. In DCF 2.17, mention whether a kitchen garden and kitchen shed are available. In DCF 2.18, specify if dustbins for waste collection are available. In DCF 2.19, select if furniture for student is available, all partial or none. If yes, enter the number of students with furniture. After entering all the details, click on Save and Next button. In the next video, we will continue with DCF 2.20 onwards. If you face any issues during the process, please contact to technical team or MIS officer. Stay tuned with us and thank you for watching.